So guys, this is the Killer Boss from the Dominion box set. So I've built it up and I've sprayed it with Mechanicus Standard Grey. Obviously you just spray it with whatever spray you want. So basically what we're going to start doing now is just painting all the flesh. Now I always say start from the inside of the model and work your way out. So we're using Lorraine Forest for the skin. So basically we can afford to be a little bit messy here because we are obviously going to paint over things as we go on. So once we've painted all the green skin, we're just going to go around and paint all the metal parts. Now obviously you can just choose whatever metal colour you want. I just decided to go with lead belcher just because I think it looks great. You can obviously break it up and put some brass colour in there and, you know, just do whatever you fancy doing. But yeah, let's literally just go around the model, picking out all the metal parts with lead belcher. So once that's done, we're going to go around and paint all the leather parts with Mournfang Brown. Again, choose any brown you want. I like to work with Mournfang Brown just because it's like a nice mid-tone. It's not too dark and not too bright. And once obviously you put the wash over it, it does become a lot darker. So yeah, literally just go on the model and paint all the leather strap and the leather, I don't know what they are, rags that are hanging off him. Just paint all that brown. So once you've painted all of the leather parts brown, we're just going to go on and base coat all the other parts. So the wraps on his legs, we're going to do Zandri Dust. The axe handle, we're going to do black and stuff like that. So you won't see me do that, but literally that's all you got to do, just base coat them. So we've painted all the extra details in, as you can see there, and it's relatively neat. Now what we're going to do is just wash the model with some Agrax Earthshade. Now obviously use your wash of choice, but for me, orcs are quite dirty, so we've gone for like a dirty wash basically of Agrax Earthshade. Now get that all over and let it dry. And once it's dry, this is where the magic happens. So the wash is dried, and now what we're going to do is dry brush the full model with Rakarth Flesh. Now this might seem a bit weird to you guys, but it's something I've kind of figured out for myself. Basically you're going to do it, it's like edge highlighting, but you're dry brushing it on basically. And it doesn't matter as well if you go over the cloth or any other part of the skin and whatever, because this colour seems to just blend in with most colours, I seem to think anyway. Now you can see I'm not purposefully dry brushing over the silver, but if it catches it, it catches it. As you can see on the straps there, it's picking out all the straps. But there is some places where it has gone on a little bit too heavy. So what you do is you just get a little bit of your original colour. So for my colour was Mournfang Brown, and you paint in the centre of them lines. So as you can see, this is what the model looks like. And at the back there, you can see the dry brushing's gone on a little bit too heavy, but that, like I say, it's not a problem. So what we're going to do is get a little, like a fine tip brush, and just paint in the Mournfang Brown. It's just a quick and easy way of getting them little edge highlights on your models. Some people might struggle with edge highlighting, shake a bit too much. Try this way, dry brush it on, and then just tidy up, because obviously there's a larger area to paint than just the edge, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. It did in my head anyway. I'll take this time as well, guys, to say if you are wanting to subscribe to the channel, please do so for more videos on how to paint your models quick and easy. Also as well, I've got a Facebook group, so if you guys want to
go over to there, Underdog Painting Hobby Hangouts. I will leave a link in the description below. Click on it and become a member. So now we're just going to go around all the silver as well and just do a little edge highlight with iron hand steel, just to get that nice shine, because obviously we've dulled it down. We just want to pick out a few little bits to make it nice and shiny and rusty and all that type of stuff. So yeah, go around and do that. And that is your model completed. So what I'll do is I'll stick a little video on the end of the model spinning around so you can have a good look. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one.